Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my data version. In previous video, we have seen the first part of the conditional formatting where we have applied few formats like greater than, less than, between and so on and so forth. So it is the second part of conditional formatting and now we are dealing with data bars, color scales and many more rules and subrules. So let's get started. That I have prepared to show the function and functionality of the Excel in different ways. So first of all, I will select the column, go in the conditional formatting. Here the first option is data bars. So if we want to allocate the numbers into the bars, this is the best option. So let's pick up any bar. For example, I am choosing that blue color. Now what you can see, Excel have taken random colors and we got many bars according to the numbers, but I don't know how it has been set. So for managing that, select the series, go on conditional formatting. We have an option manage rules. So as we can see, we have a current selection. Go and edit rules. So here format style has been set as data bars. We can change it manually as we desire. We have an option to either show the numbers or with the bars. So if I will click on it, it will show bar only. If I will uncheck it, it will show both bar and the numbers. So here we can give ranges. So as of now, Excel has taken it automatically. We can change it manually. For example, I want it as a number. We have number, so I'm choosing number. Here, the minimum value, I will be selecting 5. And the maximum value, that is 99. I want border to be black and color more darker. So as you can see, with the highest number we have the high bar and the lowest number it is null, and if we are close to the number, accordingly bar has been set. So if we don't want these numbers and want to show by data bars only, so we will select this, go in conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rules. Here we have an option show bar only. Just check it that and click on OK. Now if we want to have a color coding in the particular data set or the set of numbers, so for that I will be selecting all column, go in conditional formatting. We have option of color scale. Click on it and click any one of them. For example, I am choosing this one. So as of now you can see Excel have selected random numbers. So for the minimum number it is more darker color, and for the maximum number it is lighter green, and between them are yellow in color. So if we want to get it in the proper format, so what we can do, we can select the column. We have an option called sort and filter. So if we want to make it large to small, just click on that. So as we can see, the number is sorted. We have already a selection. Go in conditional formatting. For example, I'm choosing this. So for the maximum, it is darker, and if we go down, it is lighter. So if we want to change it manually, same thing we have to do. Click on conditional formatting, manage rules. We have already a selection. Click on the edit rules. According to value, lowest value, number, percentage, formula, percentile, we can make a selection. Now here we can see the bars is in the gradient form, and if we want to have a solid bars for more visually appealing, so we have an option for this. Just select the column, conditional formatting, data bars, and in downwards we have solid fills. So according to the best color we can choose any one of them. So in the next case we will be discussing regarding the numbers indicator. So for the lowest number if we want to indicate something, and for the highest number indicate else. So for that, select the column. We have an option in the conditional formatting. Here I will be choosing shapes. So as of now Excel has chosen random numbers. For make it a meaningful selection, I am going to select conditional formatting, manage rules. Here we have option edit rules. Greater than, I would say, 70, and less than 20, or else right color. Click on OK. Now let's make a scenario. For that, let's first clear up the column. Go in conditional formatting, pick up a new rule. Here I will be choosing the first option, that is format all cell based on their values. Then we have an option called icon sets. Here I will be choosing right from option. So I don't want to show the numbers but only the symbols. For that I will be checking on that show icon only. And here we want number. So if number is more than 50, it should be right. If not, that means less than 50, it should be cross, or else no selection. For that we have an option called no cell icon. And simply I will click on OK. So right now I'm going to type random numbers. So if 70, it would be right, because it is 60 also right. Now let's pick up less than 50, that is 40, 30. Can do multiple analysis of numbers by the help of conditional formatting. And now to make this table more visually appealing, let's select the table. We have an option called format as table. Click on it, and we have multiple themes over there. So as of now I'm choosing this. Click on OK. So here we have drop down filters. So if we will click on it, we can sort any number and analyze accordingly. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, click on the like button, hit the subscribe for more updates in this channel. Thank you for watching.